Hello friends, happy Saturday. This is Andrea from New York, guys. At the moment I'm about to cross the Williamsburg Bridge. So on our left we can see the Manhattan Bridge. We are basically crossing the East River, and even though there is this grid in front of us, we can see a little bit of the of the Freedom Tower. And this is a less common bridge for people to take pictures of. That's why where people come less, that's where I want to go more. I don't know if that's proper English, but like I think the idea is I wanna show you everything, and also like places that are less common to be seen on Instagram, for example. So it's going probably to be a little loud because every few seconds there is a subway passing by on our right. But still, I hope that the view and the experience, I hope is going to be worth it, even though the sound is not gonna be great. And good morning, and hello everybody, first of all, for being here. I haven't said thank you yet, so thank you guys. So you can see in front of us, this is like kind of like South Williamsburg. And again, here we can see different ferries, one of which is the New York City ferry, like that allows it to go from like Williamsburg and Long Island City to Manhattan. As you can see, you can either cross this bridge with the subway, or you can bike, or you can run. So this is something different. I'm sure you probably have seen 2 million photos of the Brooklyn Bridge. So after a while, I don't want to say it's boring because I posted a picture on my Instagram account yesterday. But I just like to diversify. Ciao Marinetti. Hello everybody. Thank you guys for joining the live video and watching, spending these seconds together. By the way, for those of you interested, I have a lot of other videos of New York on my IGTV channel. So if you go just on my Instagram page and click on IGTV, it's like an icon, you will be able to find way more videos than just this one here, okay? Ciao Loredana. So on our right, we can see it's kind of like a Long Island City, as well as more on the left-hand side, we can see from the grid Midtown Manhattan. Probably it's a little difficult for you guys to be able to see properly, but there's the Empire State Building right behind the bridge. Sometimes, there are a few seconds during which we can't see it. And Jasper, that's the Williamsburg Bridge. That's right. I really like the kind of red-pink color, very characteristic of this bridge. It's it makes it different. The Manhattan Bridge has a kind of like blue color. Williamsburg Bridge, when I think about it, I just think about this pink. And then, with the Brooklyn Bridge, that is kind of like brownish. Hello, Daishida from Japan. Hello, guys. And hello, Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining the live video. I haven't talked to you in a while. How are you? So I don't know if you guys can see. Again, this is the East River Park. Yeah, it's pink, you're right. If you like pink, that's the bridge. That's the bridge you should see probably first before all the other bridges. Joking. All right, so here we should be able to see the subway coming right in front of us. Let me see. So one has just passed. So let's see if we can find another subway together. You guys are okay to wait a second? Let's see. And hello, Samus. Sorry, if I don't pronounce your name properly. I just tried my best to read from the username I see here. So here we should be able to see, I think, the J train coming sometime soon. Let's see. I don't want to keep you here too long, but it's kind of a nice experience when you see the train coming. And you see how, I don't know, like I just find the bridge artistic, the like a kind of graffiti, people trying to share a message with, other people, the pink, the East River in the background, and somehow I think it's very interesting for me. Hello from Georgia country. Hello guys. Hello Ita. Where does the train go? Good question. So the train goes on one side, it goes to Brooklyn, and on the other side goes to Manhattan, kind of Lower East Side. That's the connection. So Brooklyn Bridge, remember, you can get on the Brooklyn Bridge if you want to cross it. Basically, in Manhattan, you take it from pretty much the Lower East Side, whereas in Brooklyn, you clearly take it from Williamsburg. So guys, the train is about to arrive. Are you ready? It should be right in front of us in a few seconds. So believe me, the train is coming. It's a good weather. Yes, that's a pretty good weather. Hello Monica from Argentina. Hello to Monica and hello to all my friends from Argentina. We have the subway, the J train coming. Are you guys ready? It's coming right in front of us. And hello Pedro from Brazil. All right, should be here in a moment. And there you are, that's the J train. Alright guys, that's as funny as it can sound or silly, but like I really love these things. I think they're very unique of Manhattan, of New York City, sorry. And I hope you enjoy this time together. I will probably do my best to post this video on my IGTV channel. So please make sure you go to IGTV. Please make sure you share my videos with your friends. I'm sure you have other friends that love New York as much as we do. So the only favor I ask you is like, please share my pictures with your friends, share my videos, anything you can. It really helps me a lot. Thank you so much, and I will probably do other live video this afternoon. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.